In these uncertain days, the question on everyone's lips is how to make money without a job. We all know that a lot of people are losing their job right now and it's really terrible. But there's a way to turn your world around and just start making money with no job, and it's to go online. So, how do you make money online if you have no job? Let's talk about that right now. So guys, what I wanted to do today is to introduce you to a really awesome program. And I'm not saying that because I just want to sell it to you. I'm saying that because I truly believe that this training is something that everyone should follow. Everyone that want to go online, they should follow that training, because it's not a training just about let's go out there and make a lot of money. It's all about having a balanced life, and that's, I think that's what most of the people want. They want to stop rushing around, and they want to start, yes, they want to improve their revenue, but they also want to have this balanced life where you're in shape, so you're physically feeling good and you're personally doing well, so your relationships are well, and you're just feeling good in your mind. And I think it's one of the most important things these days, because a lot of people are getting out of their minds, and some days can be really difficult. I've been there, done that. So what I did when I lost my job is that, because I lost my job a couple of months ago because of the pandemic, and I was just like, okay, I have to reinvent myself. I have to find solutions. I have to go out there and find a way to start making money on my own. So how to make money without a job? So I started this training. It's a training from Entra Institute, and you're going to go through a lot of steps in order to have this entrepreneur mindset. And to have this entrepreneur mindset is so important, guys. You have to know what your goals are, and I, with this training, I really fixed my goal, and they are so clear in my mind, and I'm reading them every day. I have like 20 goals that I want to reach, and they're really clear. I'm reading them every day, one or twice a day, just to keep them really clear in my mind and keep myself motivated to go out there, publish new YouTube videos, and post to the world that I really love this online career, and it's really important to do that. And so with the Antra Institute training, you're really gonna go through that type of mindset. You're gonna be like, I could say brainwashed, but in a really really good way. So you're gonna have that kind of brainwash, and you're gonna start making money online by applying the techniques that are gonna be taught in the course. So you have three types of course that you can choose. You can go for affiliate marketing, you can go for a digital course, or you can go for digital agency. So it's three different things that you can do online to make money. And you can take a package and take the three courses, and you're gonna have a really good bundle for a really cheap price to have these three courses. I can guarantee, I haven't seen any low prices like that. But with that training, it's really awesome. You can choose whatever you want. You're gonna have all this mindset. You're gonna make a business plan, but not this kind of super boring business plan that you do for a normal company. You're gonna do your own business plan, and your business is you. So what are your goals? What do you want to achieve? And you're gonna make an implementation plan that is gonna set you up for the next 12 months. So you're gonna have the best year of your life. So, and by joining that training, you're gonna also join an awesome community. And by awesome, I mean awesome. Whenever you have a question, whenever you have doubts about what you're doing out there, you just go in your community, you ask. And I can tell you, I've been in different communities for entrepreneurs and for different trainings, but this community, oh my God, people are so, they're replying so quickly, and people are so motivated to make it work. They just want to help you. And you have also the trainers, like the actual instructors, are going to reply to you directly in your question on Facebook. That's so much value, guys, because when you go online, you have so many doubts. You have just many questions. You don't know where you're going. You don't know if you take an ad for on Facebook. You don't know if your conversion are good, if the price is good for that. So you have so many questions that you don't know because you don't have any experience in that. But with that training, you're gonna be really set up with a proper instructor that's gonna lead you to all the information that you need to succeed. So you just follow the steps. And what I really like about this training is that the modules are really short. So you listen to a module, it's maybe 10, 15, maximum 20 minutes, and then you implement. So you watch a short video, you implement. And I've already like in some videos that were just like 7 minutes, I implement things that are giving me such results. It's just incredible. And I tell you that because I've lived that. Literally in the past week, I've seen results that from just what I applied from the training. So I really suggest you to go out there and you click on the link below. I'm gonna put a link so you can just follow the instructions. And I'm telling you guys, it may just change your life. Changed mine, so I really hope it's gonna change yours. But I'm really getting excited when I talk about that training because it really changed my life, and in a really, really good way. And I don't feel more, not even more like the more powerful entrepreneur. I just feel like I'm really in control of my life and I'm doing what I should do to reach my goals. So that's really like the richest thing that you can have in your life. And that's what this training is giving me. So I really suggest you, if you want to take control of your life, grab that training, click on that link, and enjoy, guys. And if you like that video, please subscribe to my channel, give me some thumbs up, click on that little bell so you get notification when I go out there, and give me some comments. I reply to all my comments with a lot of joy. So thank you guys, and have a really, really awesome day. Have an awesome weekend, and take care. Okay, ciao.